Okay. Have you ever cheated? Huh?
Yeah.
Where? What's your question now? Is it? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this time, we're gonna do the what? We're gonna do
Question
what?
and answer challenge.
Question and answer again. Question and answer. So I'm gonna ask something.
5 minutes answer challenge.
1 minute. 1 second.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
So every question we have to count 5 seconds, right? So you must answer the question within 5 seconds. So any questions? Okay, any questions? So this is a challenge for me also because I have to ask him in English. I have to prepare questions in English, and I would like to thank Google for
Thank me.
For a funny question.
It's gonna help me to think about
Really?
yeah, some of the questions. How many questions?
10 questions.
You also got like 10 questions. Okay, we do the Kai Bai Bo again. Kai Bai Bo. Okay, okay. You go first question.
First question.
Be quiet, so I have to focus.
Not yet. Okay. First question is, do you know? Okay. If your husband
No, what is that? Should I answer yes or no?
yes or no answer.
Oh,
Yes.
just only yes or no?
Yes. Do you know? Okay. If I have a mole on my butt. Okay. Yes or no? 5 seconds. Faster.
1, 2, 3.
No now.
No! Don't have!
One.
Don't have.
2,
Don't
3,
have!
4.
Sure or not?
Yeah! You don't have!
Sure or not?
I'm sure!
Sure.
I checked already.
I also don't know. Okay, you win. Okay.
Just only pimples. You only have pimples in your butt.
So no more. Okay. Second.
Wait!
What?
It's my turn.
Okay. You.
Okay? I'm Mina. Mina have to. Okay, where is the powder?
There.
Give me the powder.
Don't use that one, you're allergic.
You cannot use this one. Kaya ito lang guys, kasi may mga asthma yung bata. So, okay lang kami lang gagamit. Okay? Don't cover your face. don't wipe that, ha?
Okay, next your question.
Don't wipe.
No,
So,
it's going
This
to
one.
come out.
my question is, okay, my question. What are 2 things you can never eat for breakfast? What are 2 things you can never eat for breakfast?
Ham and egg. Smelly egg and
For-
smelly ham.
For breakfast. 1, 2,
Fruit.
3,
1, 2, 3, 4.
4,
Fruit.
5, 8.
What?
Lunch and dinner, Mom.
This time you have to count. You have to count fast, Sichen.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Sichen. Okay, you know Okay. You know my ears is one big and one small, right? Okay, which one is the big one?
You want?
Count.
Which
The
one?
ears.
Two,
The ears.
three,
One big and one small.
four.
Which one is the big? Yeah, which one is the bigger one?
So fast, Daddy.
1.
What?
1,
Left?
2,
The left one is the bigger one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Correct one.
10.
Oh, the right one bigger.
Oh, okay. You always ask about something. Okay. Where is our first date? Which place? 1, 2,
Oh, it's the same.
3,
1, 2,
Shouting.
3.
4. Shouting, correct. Correct. It's shouting. Give 3 fruits start with letter S.
Fruit.
1,
Star fruits, strawberry, and
Three.
S
4.
S is
No more. And
Strawberry.
I didn't say star fruit.
strawberry.
One is
Star fruits.
already say
Star apple.
star apple. Oh, like that.
Oh,
Oh my god, you're gonna bite me.
4.
What is the church name we married? The church name.
Mama and
I
Papa.
don't know. You are the one who.
Mama and Papa. Mama and
You
Papa.
know what?
Mama and Papa.
Saint Peter.
Huh?
Saint Peter.
No.
Mama and Papa.
Wrong.
Mama and Papa.
See you put.
No, you haven't count, ma.
One,
Saint Michael.
2, 3,
Catholic
4,
Church.
5. Put.
I put that.
You put. Put to mama. Okay, then
What's the?
Saint Teresa.
Out there.
What is the first movie we watched together?
Twilight.
Twilight.
Oh yeah, I saw the card.
Twilight.
Okay.
See you. Put.
What? Mama face.
Okay. What is the first gift you give to me?
Here, it's a bracelet.
One.
Yes.
Wrong.
It's a bracelet. I
Wrong. Wrong.
remember. Ring.
Five.
Yes, correct.
No, it's your heart.
It's a ring.
You-
Papa. Okay, next. What occurs once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
Five.
One.
2, 3.
1,001 seconds.
No lah.
Wrong.
It's M.
2,
M.
3.
One in a minute,
5.
twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years. 1,000 years, there's any M letter there.
Mama, stop.
Don't have right.
Stop talking.
Okay, Papa wrong. Papa
What is the question?
You cannot.
What's the answer?
M, letter M. Okay, Papa one.
Who is the solemnizer for our
You,
wedding?
your turn.
Huh?
Who is the solemnizer?
Jonathan?
Wrong.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Michael?
5,
Wrong.
9, 10.
Robert?
Wrong.
4.
See you put.
Well, I forgot.
The name is Raymond.
Oh, Raymond.
Raymond you.
No, you know Papa cheating. Papa cheating because he checked all our marriage certificate and everything. That's why he used to do
Yeah,
that.
you have to remember.
That's my turn.
Next time.
Last question.
You're ready to take.
Yeah.
This very fast.
Last question, So in this house, who has a birthmark?
In this house, who?
Who has a birthmark?
Nancy Kaya.
One only?
Birthmark.
Yeah, one only.
Tang Si Hui, Tang Si Yu.
Si Hui Tang Si Yu. Wrong. Where's the park?
Huh?
The car is over there and there.
Where's the park that have the birthmark?
The bike is going there and there and
The
there.
birthmark, no, Si Chen have. I know Si Chen have. Si Hui don't have.
Si
I see
Hui
Hui
have.
So Si Hui have. Si Hui is in her back.
This one?
Si Chen is in her chest.
And now you.
No. Yeah. Somewhere here.
Somewhere. Akala ko kung anong birthmark.
Yeah, I still have two questions now.
You still have two. Go. I only have one.
Now, so this one, okay, I ask you any question, right?
Any
Okay.
question?
Okay. You have a choice to take the COVID-19 vaccine now. Will you take?
If I have a choice? No.
Why?
Why? Because I don't want.
Everyone need to take why.
Because if I only have a choice, right? The question is that if I only have a choice, but my choice is no. That's it. Okay?
One more, okay? If your daughter already 18 years old, will you allow her to travel to Philippines alone?
No.
Why?
Why?
Because her mind, even if she's 18 years old, as you can see now, right? As you can see, si Chen, you can see now, right? She's still acting like a kid.
What?
Yeah, so still not. And one more thing is because she's a girl, so I don't allow that. Okay? So this is
Will you allow me to go party?
It's depend. So this is my last question, okay? Give 3 fruits to start with letter P. 3 fruits to start with letter P. 1,
Papaya,
2,
pineapple,
3, 4, 5.
P is what?
B.
P is what? Papaya, pineapple,
What? And
di papago.
Oh my God. You just come this morning, the other one.
Pear.
Finish already the counting. Ala, you give the papa space. You.
Suddenly can.
Ah.
Pear.
So this is papa one.
Okay,
So,
go.
guys, tumindi yung aking baby. So, guys, what?
Thank you for watching.
Oh, wait.
Subscribe to our
So, guys, hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video and sa aming Perks members, thank you so much. And sa aming mga super chatters, thank you so much, guys. And sa lahat na nagsusupport sa aming YouTube channel, thank you so much to all our friends and families. Thank you. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, please do so and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago naming videos. And
don't forget to subscribe. I don't forget to thumbs up.
thumbs up and share. And hope to see you again sa susunod naming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.